Car seat stuck? Fix your manual seat adjuster in minutes. The cause depends on whether your seat is a power, electric, or manual adjustment system. A car seat adjuster stops working due to mechanical problems, like a worn-out motor or an obstruction in the seat tracks. Common causes and troubleshooting for manual seats. Obstructions. Objects like pens, coins, or bunched-up floor mats can get wedged in the seat tracks, preventing movement. Troubleshooting. Shine a flashlight under the seat and in the tracks to check for debris. Jammed mechanism. The manual levers or gears can become stiff or jammed over time due to rust, lack of lubrication, or wear. Troubleshooting. Try wiggling the seat and the adjustment lever firmly to see if you can re-engage the internal pins or gears. Lubricating the pivot points can also help. Broken linkages or cables. Internal components, such as springs, linkages, or release cables for the hide or slide functions, can break. Troubleshooting. Replace the broken part carefully. For more complex electrical diagnoses, a test light or multimeter is often required to test the voltage and continuity of the components. In many cases, professional diagnosis is recommended for safety-related components like seat mechanisms,